And yeah, nevertheless, today we are going to discuss something I genuinely really care about, and something which is very important as well. Okay, so today when you surf on any social media platform, right, there is this entire huge wave of feminism and women empowerment and whatnot. Can somebody tell me what is that exactly? Is women empowerment and feminism? Okay, supporting of women, correct. Okay, giving special powers to women. Okay, not bad. Basically, it is giving equal status to the women, considering that they have never received so. Sorry, some Ghatkopar Shubham Sharma, why are you saying terrorist attacks? That does not make any sense. I've asked you what is feminism and women empowerment. Okay. So yeah, feminism is basically giving equal rights to women, considering that they have been subjugated and oppressed since a very, very long time, right? And a lot of you see, undoubtedly there is fake feminism or pseudo feminism, meaning that not all feminists, or there is this wrong way of interpreting uh, women empowerment, and a lot of them have taken it incorrectly. So women को मतलब आज तक हमेशा से एक नीचा दर्जा दिया जाता था जो गलत था, and today we know of that and we fight for it. Okay, so when a lot of you believe that what's the need of such revolution or fight, there's no such discrimination between men and women here, correct? But we need not forget that there is and there was patriarchy, correct? Now patriarchy is nothing but male dominance, right? So in any social institution you see, including the family, marriage, workplace, or politics, women have always been given a secondary status. Now the subtle discrimination against women, subjugating them to judgment or moral policing and a blame game. ना डाउनराइट ऐसा होता है कि अगर रेप भी होता है तो लड़की को ही विक्टिम लड़की होती है, फिर भी उसको ही ब्लेम किया जाता है, which is so wrong, correct? So anyway, the scene of urban India, the India that we live in right now, as we assume, is quite different. We know there's no practical difference between man and women. We consider our mothers and fathers as the same. Even though your mother is a homemaker, it does not matter because you know what she gives you, correct? So anyway, the picture, the scene of that rural India is very different, okay, quite different than us. And therefore feminism or women empowerment is still in this 21st century very much needed. It is something that we are all fighting. Patriarchy is something that we are all fighting. And you say that urban India, matlab, right now we are equal there, but there are subtle nuances, okay? There are subtle ways in which uh, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लड़की लोग को बहुत देर तक बाहर नहीं जाने मिलता, and you must have your own case that what are the differences between a girl and a boy. Now they may be for your security, for your own security or personal reasons, but well, they are there. Okay, so now coming to the point, our history is completely filled with women who have defied all the odds, who have, uh, challenged the stereotypes of the society, who have challenged the society who did not believe in them, the, the society who thought that they were only good for cooking and cleaning. Okay, we have a lot of great examples, and for this I have a very small activity. Okay, I'll be asking you some questions about women. Okay, a little quiz sort of thing, and you will just give me the answers. Okay? Yeah. Asha, the lesson's name, the chapter's name is Juven of Arc 1.5, but we'll come to that later. Okay? Now, very quickly, uh, please tell me the name of the girl who is the youngest. We are beginning with the easiest one. Huh? She is the youngest Nobel Peace Prize winner in the year 2014. She was shot down on head by the terrorist and miraculously survived. Very good. Shubham Sharma from Ghatkopar. It's Malala. Correct. Yousafzai. Correct. Very good. Very good. I'll move on to the next one. Okay. Now this woman has won 2 Nobel Prizes, one for her research on radioactivity along with her husband, and the second for her charitable work. Very good. There's Parth Nanda from Ghatkopar. It's Marie Curie. Very good. Excellent. Very good. Next one, we'll keep it quick. First Indian woman who reached space. First Indian woman to reach space. Kalp work and dedicating her entire life to the shunned, to the poor. Very good. It's Mother Teresa. Very good. Yeah, yeah, correct. Next. Now this one is my favorite. Okay. The first woman to score double hundred in Test cricket. That is 214 not out, and she was an Indian woman, Indian cricketer. No, it's not Smriti Mandana. Very good. Jaseeb Sheikh from Ghatkopar. You are correct. It's Mithali Raj. Very good. It's not Smriti Mandana. Mithali Raj is the first woman to score double hundred in Test cricket match. Very good. Moving on. First female physician in India who has received a medical degree in US. This is a tricky one. No, it's Sushruth was not a woman, he was a man. First female physician. Very excellent. DN Nagar Rajeshri Mestri. Anandibai Joshi. Excellent, excellent. Very good. Amazing. Okay, we'll stop here. Okay, so now we know that the history is filled with women who have achieved and who had to fight a lot to achieve to go there. मतलब बोलते हैं ना जो जो मेन को पहले की बात कर रही हूँ एटलीस्ट जो मेन को बहुत इजीली मिल जाता था वही चीज करने के लिए women had to really fight. Okay, you see stories of a lot of people, okay, and all of them Sudha Murthy was one such woman who had to just fight a lot to get a simple admission into a college. Okay, मतलब उतना था. Moving on, now we are talking about 1400, the time period from 1453, okay, 1429. So during that time, just imagine क्या होगा, right? So we are going to discuss today a story of one such remarkably brave and exceptionally strong-headed, very strong-headed, and quick-witted girl. And the name of that girl is Joan of Arc. The name is Joan, and she was the community is Arc. The region is Arc. Okay. So the chapter is 1.5, Joan of Arc. Okay. The central idea. Okay. Joan of Arc by George Bernard Shaw is a play narrating the story of the courageous and undying spirit of the girl Joan. Okay, now it is a play, it's not your normal chapter, it is play. Basically, it means that there are some characters and all the characters will have their dialogues. Okay, okay. The story of the courageous, very, very brave, courageous, undying spirit. Okay, she is not afraid of anything. She has this hopes which are there in her, very high hopes and very strong-headed. It outlines Joan's bold attempt to convince Captain Robert to allow her to fight the Englishmen. Now I'll explain this later. Let's just complete reading this. Throughout the play, we come across Joan's qualities that make her stand out from the ordinary soldiers. मतलब in spite of her being a girl, उसमें ऐसी क्वालिटीज थी जो उसको बाकी लोगों से बहुत अलग कर देती थी. एक तो वो लड़की थी ही पहले, और लड़की कभी भी पहले के जमाने में she did not used to go to wars. Fighting was not for women, was not for girls, but she was somebody who was like, नहीं मैं जाऊंगी and I'm going to fight the Englishmen. Okay, through okay, brave and blunt. She was brave and blunt. मुंह पे जो बोल देती थी, जो भी था. Joan's story makes for a good read as she is what we can call one of the earliest examples of women empowerment. So it is one of the earliest examples of women empowerment. We'll skip the summary because any which way we are going to do the chapter. George Bernard Shaw was an Irish playwright. Playwright is somebody who writes play. Now one of the famous playwrights that we have already discussed. Anybody? Another very famous playwright. We have just done that. Very good. Atharva. Very good. It's Shakespeare. Shakespeare, correct. Now he wrote more than 60 plays during his lifetime, including major works such as Man and Superman, Pygmalion, and Saint John. He was the leading dramatist of his time. He was also awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1925. Okay. Now, very important, and we begin here. This is the backstory. The war fought between England and France. These were two enemy countries. Okay, just remember, England and France from 1337 to 1453 has come to be known as the 100 Years' War. So in this chapter, the main highlight, the war, is also known as 100 Years' War. Joan was a peasant girl. Peasant? What is a peasant? Agricultural laborer of low social status. It means that उनके parents के पास खुद की जमीन भी नहीं थी farming के लिए. जो एक बहुत बड़े जमींदार जैसे होते, farmer होते थे, उनके वहाँ नौकरी के जैसे वो जाते थे. Okay, so that is what means. That is what is the difference between a farmer and a peasant. Okay, born in eastern France, who led the French army to several victories during the war. This play begins at the time when all the northern France and some parts of the southwest were under foreign control. The English controlled some parts and the Burgundians controlled the others. The city of New Orleans, one of the few remaining French cities, was held by the English. The year is 1429. Captain Robert de Baudricourt, a military officer, is seated at the table. His steward stands facing him. We'll repeat it. अच्छा, play कहाँ चालू होता है? जहाँ No, acha, me and my famous diagrams, here we go. Okay, I was dying to do this, guys, you have no idea. Okay, E represents English, Britain. Okay, इंग्लैंड के जो सोल्जर्स थे उनकी एले थे, एलाइज मतलब उनके दोस्त, ठीक है, वॉर में जो एक दूसरे की साइड लेते हैं उनको एलाइज, एलाइज कहते हैं, ठीक है, उनके साथ है बर्गेंडियंस, ठीक है. सो English and the Burgundians together were fighting. Okay, they were attacking the main France. Okay, they wanted to capture the entire France. Now, ये जो ऊपर का northern France था, that was completely taken by the English. Some parts were controlled by Burgundians and the others were controlled by French. मतलब, okay. Now, Juan was from France. Juan was from France, and there was this city. Okay, the name of the city is New Orleans. Idhar tha, New Orleans. Okay, I'm so sorry for this. Yeah, so New Orleans, and now the English and the Burgundians, they wanted to capture this New Orleans. Fine. So the point of this entire chapter is Juan convincing the military officers and the king and so on and so forth that she wants to fight so as to not let the English capture the New Orleans. Very clear with this? Okay. Okay. Yeah, the city of his steward stands facing him. Robert de Baudricourt ke steward. Now, steward is a person who is employed to look after someone. He is standing facing him and they have a conversation. Okay? Robert, I told you to throw the girl out. You have 50 armed soldiers and dozens of strong servants to carry out my orders. Are they afraid of her? कितने आदमी थे? 50 आदमी थे. 50 आदमी जिनके पास हथियार थे. वो सारे लोग मिलके एक लड़की को भगा नहीं सकते हो? डरते हो? डरपोक हो क्या तुम लोग? तो ये स्टीवर्ड बोलता है नहीं नहीं, we are not afraid. We are not afraid of her, but actually ना, she is the one who gives us courage. वो हम लोग को हिम्मत देती है, ठीक है? No sir, we are afraid of you, but she puts courage in us. She really doesn't seem to be afraid of anything. वो ऐसा लगता है वो किसी से डरती ही नहीं है. Perhaps you could frighten her, sir. Maybe. चलो देखते हैं सर कि आप उसको डरा सकते हो क्या? Okay, maybe. It's just a suggestion. Even the steward is somewhere very unsure कि ये Robert de Baudricourt is a very high rank military officer, but he is not even sure कि वो इससे डरेगी, ठीक है? So, so Robert very seriously, grimly, he says, perhaps, okay, very non-dominant and yet very assertive. He's like, okay, where is she now? Tell me, वो कहाँ पे है? Okay. Steward says that this Joan is down in the courtyard, sir. Courtyard basically is an unroofed area forming a part of the large house. जो आंगन बोलते हैं ना, जैसा वो ऐसा courtyard है. Okay. Now Robert goes to the window and asks the soldiers to send the girl up. ठीक है, तो वो बोलता है उसको ऊपर भेजो. The girl enters. She is a just a second. Yeah, she is a well-built, strong country girl of 17 to 18 years. The age is not very sure. She is either of 17 or 18 years. The squire. Now, squire is a person of high rank. Here, it means this Robert de Baudricourt. Okay, Robert de Baudricourt's glare neither frightens her nor stops her. She speaks confidently. Okay, we'll again go aati hai. Correct. Now she is a very well-built, very strong country girl of this age. Now almost 2 to 3 years elder to you. Okay. Now this squire's glare is nothing but stare. जो गुड़ती है उसको glare बोलते हैं. Okay, here an angry stare. It neither frightens her nor stops her from saying what she wants to say. And when, see, it's very easy, but when you meet any such official, any high ranked official for that matter, you get very intimidated. तुम लोग क्या बोल, very थोड़ा ऐसा होता है कि अरे मैं क्या बोलूं. Okay, तो Joan, she is so very confident. She is like, good morning, Captain Squire. You are to give me horse and armor and some soldiers and send me to the Dauphin. वो आके हाय हेलो मुझे ये चाहिए वो पूछ. शी इज नॉट सीकिंग परमिशन, शी इज आस्किंग, शी इज डिमांडिंग ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स कि मुझे ये चाहिए. ओके, वेरी वेरी ब्रेवली. ओके, एंड शी इज जस्ट not taking no for an answer. So brave, not taking no for an answer. So कि मुझे क्या चाहिए, मुझे एक हॉर्स चाहिए, मुझे आर्मर चाहिए. Now what is armor? It is protective clothing of metal or leather worn in battles by soldiers in former times. पहले भी जब भी wars होते थे तभी ये जो leather protective gear जो खुद के बॉडी पे पहना जाता था to save yourself is armor. Okay, so she is like, I want horse for riding, I want armor, and I want some soldiers so that I can first go to Dauphin. Okay, now who is Dauphin here? Dauphin is the oldest son, the eldest son of the king of France, the one who would become the king after his father. मतलब वो अभी कोई तो फ्रांस का एक किंग है, उस उनके वो बेटे सबसे एल्डेस्ट बेटे है, और वो sort of he is the prince and he is going to be the king after he dies. So now he, मतलब उनके पास क्यों जाना है, क्योंकि उनसे 30 सोल्जर्स में या 3 सोल्जर्स में कुछ नहीं होता. तो she wanted 300 soldiers so that she could fight the English soldiers. Now the English soldiers were very brutal, very very brutal. So everybody is like, क्या बोल रही है? Okay, okay. Now Robert, after hearing this, he says, the girl is mad. You are crazy. Are you mad? मतलब क्या बोल रही है तू? Are you sure? Why didn't you tell me so, you blockhead? Okay, वो स्क्यूवर्ड को बोलता है, the girl is mad. पागल लड़की को लेकर आया है तू, तूने पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? Blockhead. Now blockhead is a stupid person. Next time you want to give any bad word to your friend, you can use this. Okay, nothing else. Blockhead. Okay, why didn't you tell me, you stupid? Okay, so do not anger her, give her what she wants. Look at Stewart. Now he is more afraid of Joan than he is afraid of this Robert the Baudricourt, and he is saying, अरे उसको गुस्सा मत दिलाओ, उसको जो चाहिए वो दे दो. Then Robert is even more angered. Are you mad? Now he goes to this Joan and he tells her, okay, looking at Joan, he addresses Joan and says, I shall send you back to your father with orders to put you under lock and key. मैं तुझे तेरे पापा के पास भेज दूंगा under lock and key, locked away, basically confined to a room with no escape whatsoever. Okay, blockhead is a stupid person. Lock and key is to your keep locked in a place to prevent from escaping. You can just write it down. Yeah, it's house arrest. Okay, so पापा के पास भेज के हाउस अरेस्ट पे लगवा दूंगा ऐसा. So Joan says that you think you will, Squire, but it won't happen that way. You said you would not see me, but here I am. Okay, वो बोलता है कि Joan ऐसा confidently again she says that, see, पहले आपने क्या बोला था? That you'll not see me, that मेरे को तेरा चेहरा भी नहीं देखना. But here I am, you're meeting me, na? So you will not send me to my father. Nothing will happen. Don't worry. I will get what I want. Now this is sort of very arrogant in front of a high-ranked official. It is very arrogant, but she is very optimistic, very brave at the same time. She has no thoughts about going to a war. Okay, it's very dangerous. Genuinely, it is very dangerous. Correct. So you think you will. आपको लगता है ऐसा, but ऐसा होने नहीं वाला. Okay. Okay, now here is something that I have prepared for you. If you can see this, you are to give me an armor and I'll fight to free France. The first meme says that we don't do that here, and the second one says that mast joke mara rahe. So this is a accurate depiction of what they think, that the girl should not be sent to war at any cost. Okay. Okay. Yes, this is Black Panther, and ma'am, you are a good memer. Thank you. Moving on. Okay. Okay. Now the Robert says that, so you're assuming that I'll give you what you want. तो सिर्फ assume कर दिया, you're taking for granted. You are disbelieving without, you're believing without the facts. Nothing says that I'm going to give you what you want, but you are very assuming. Okay, so why are you assuming I'll give you what you want? Again, Joan with a lot of confidence. Okay, she's asserting very properly that yes, Squire continues busily, and she has everything ready. She is not some girl who has just woken up from a sleep and just demanding things. She knows exactly what she wants. So we'll see this attitude of hers in the paragraph to come. Okay. Yes, Squire continues busily. A horse will cost 16 francs. Francs was the currency of is the currency of France. So तब के ज़माने में horse will cost 16 francs. It is a big amount of money, but I can save it on the armor. Okay, I don't need a beautiful armor made to my measure. I can find a soldier's armor that will fit me well enough. I shall not want many soldiers. The Dauphin will give me all I need to free Orleans. Okay, I want a horse. I know that will cost a lot, 16 francs. But टेंशन मत लो, मैं दूसरी जगह पे सेव कर सकती हूँ. जो आर्मर होगा ना मेरा, वो दूसरा नया वाला बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. I will borrow from any soldier that is available, and I don't want a beautiful one and anything. I normal भी मेरे को चलेगा. I don't even want many soldiers. Okay, the Dauphin. We know who the Dauphin is. Okay, so the Dauphin will give me all I need to free Orleans. Now, it shows us how sure she was that she was going to get what she wanted. Very sure. Okay, very good insight into her character. A squire is a military officer. If she was going to war right now, she did not even think once about losing. She was so optimistic. She had no thought process at that second that what if I lose, what if something happens to me. Yet very 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 confident. Okay, so Robert is shocked now by this confidence. She is shocked. He is shocked. तू फ्री तू फ्री करेगी क्या ऑर्लियंस को? तू फ्री करेगी? ओके, तो जोन बोलती है हाँ ऑब्वियसली मैं फ्री करूंगी. यस स्क्वायर, 3 men will be enough for you to send with me. Polly and Jack have promised to come with me. ओके ओके, अगेन जोन बोलते हैं हाँ मैं करूंगी ना ऑर्लियंस को फ्री मेरे सोल्जर्स के साथ. अब भी क्या जरूरत है? नाउ व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड इज 3 men will be enough. I want 3 men and I want them to assist me to Dauphin first. Since they are going to go to the Dauphin, तो सबसे पहले Dauphin के लिए उधर जाने के लिए I want 3 soldiers. Okay, and Polly and Jack. Now affectionately वो किसी को Polly बुला रही है. Polly आगे आएगा कि किसका नाम है. ओके, बट वो बोलते पॉली और जैक ने बोला है कि वो मेरे साथ आएंगे. रॉबर्ट सेज दैट यू मीन मजी. ओके, now this is a French word for Mr. Okay, and correct me if I'm wrong, but it is pronounced as Monsieur. Okay, Mr. is Monsieur Deeple NG. So Robert, तू पॉली किसको बोल रहे रे? वो वो मिस्टर पोलेंजी है, तो उसको पॉली बोल रही है. बोले yes squire, Jack will come willingly. She is saying that Squire is a soldier, a high ranked military officer. Squire Jack will come willingly, वो readily मेरे साथ आएंगे without any hesitation. He is a very kind gentleman and gives me money to give to the poor. Please mark, this is the first person who is going to assist her to Dauphin, Squire Jack. He is a very kind gentleman. वो पैसे भी देते हैं so that Joan can give it to the poor people. The second one is John Godsafe will come and Dick the Archer. He is the third person and their servants. उनके जो servants है, John of Horncourt and Julian. All of them are going to come with me. So in total, I guess we have Monsieur de Polengi, Squire Jack, John Godsafe, Dick the Archer, John Horncourt, and Julian. Okay. Okay. There will be no trouble for you, Squire. I have arranged it all. You have only to give the order. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. I have arranged everything. You just need to give me the permission along with these 3 soldiers for me to go to the Dauphin. So you only have to do that. You have to do nothing else. Okay. So now, again, this Robert was just out of his mind. He had never seen somebody, let alone a girl. He had never seen somebody who was so confident, who was so brilliant, not brilliant exactly, but very courageous for that matter, and courageous to the point of stupidity that this girl wanted to go to a war without any prior training in warfare or any skills thereof. Okay. Now this Robert to the steward, okay, he's saying to the steward, is this true about Monsieur de Polengi? ये जो बात बोल रही है कि Monsieur de Polengi ने उसके साथ जाने के लिए हाँ बोला है, वो बात सच्ची है क्या? The steward is like eagerly, yes sir. And about Monsieur de Metz too, they both want to go with her. दोनों को उनके साथ जाना है. 2-3 लोग हैं जो उसके साथ ready है जाने के लिए. And this person is now very shaken to his core that क्या हो रहा है ये? Robert goes to the window and shouts into the courtyard. Okay, again he goes and shouts into the courtyard. Send Monsieur de Polengi to me, will you? He turns to Joan. Get out and wait in the yard. Okay, order करता है. Get out and wait in the yard. Okay. Smiling brightly. Right, Squire. Very sure. Now this Joan here at this point, she is very sure and convinced that Robert is going to let her go because she knows that Polengi जो है, Monsieur de Polengi जो है, वो तो उसकी टीम में है, and she knows that he is going to support him. So she is very fearless and determined that she is going to get what she wants. Okay, so she is smiling brightly because उसको मालूम है कि इधर उसने battle तो जीत ली है, ये वाली जो convincing वाली battle है वो तो जीत गई है. Okay, so she goes out. Now Robert to the steward again. He says that go with her, stay within call and keep your eye on her. I shall have her up here again. Okay, very important. Go with her, उसके साथ जा. Stay within call. Within call means near enough to be called. So if I call you, you should be able to hear me. So near enough to be called. Okay, and keep your eye on her. Keep your eye on her. Keep a watch or to carefully observe someone. See what she is doing, if she does not run away or something. So just keep an eye on her. Okay. The steward retreats hastily. Retreats, moves away in a hurry. वो बहुत जल्दी उसके जोन के पीछे भागता है. Bertrand de Polengi, a French guard, enters, salutes and stands waiting. Okay, so this is Monsieur de Polengri comes, he is a French guard, and he enters and salutes. Okay, Robert. She says, "You, Jack, and Dick have offered to go with her? What for? You take a crazy idea of going to the Dauphin seriously? तुम लोग क्या पागल हो गए? दो तीन लोगों ने ऐसा, जैक, डिक, तूने ऐसा डिसाइड किया कि तुम लोग उसके साथ जाओगे? क्यों? Why are you going to go with her? Do you seriously believe in this crazy idea of hers that she will go to Dauphin, she is going to free Orleans, and ये जो भी वो बकवास करती है, तुम लोग actually उसको मानते हो क्या? Robert, sorry, yeah. Polengri slowly says that there's something about her. Okay, it may be worth trying. I don't know what right now, but there is something about her. Okay, he has some kind of intuition about her. He is saying that she is a miracle. Okay, we don't know what. क्या उसके बारे में स्पेशल है, अलग है, वो मेरे को नहीं मालूम. So there is this word something, right? So there's something, I don't know what, but there's something about her and it may be worth trying. Try to kar lete hai. A lot of people have already lost their lives to the battle. Just imagine it was 100 years war. Okay. So maybe she is worth trying. Why not? Robert asserts आगे that, oh, come on, Polly, you must be out of your mind. Are you crazy or are you out of your mind? How can you do that? कैसे believe कर सकते हो तुम ये? Polengri unmoved. He is very determined of what he is saying, not affected by emotion or excitement. What is wrong with it? गलत क्या है उसमें? The Dauphin is in Chinon. Uh, Chinon is one of the cities in France where the royal family resided. During the 100 Years' War, the Dauphin took refuge in Chinon. A very, very important thing. We'll come to know what he's saying ahead. The Dauphin is in Chinon. Chinon is a place basically right now, capital जैसा था उनका. So Dauphin is in Chinon like a rat in a corner. Except that he won't fight. वो एक चूहे की तरह डर के उधर ऐसा he has see okay yeah, so he has sought refuge in this Chinon, and what he is very frightened, he is a coward. Apart from it that he won't fight, एक तो खुद लड़ता नहीं है, ऊपर से वो जाके उधर उसने ऐसा, he is not fighting and he is a very cowardly person. Okay, the English will take the Orleans and he will not be able to stop them. He is not fighting, he is not asking the soldiers to fight. So there is no point. We are going to lose the New Orleans, the city of New Orleans, because the main person, the leader of the entire nation, is a cowardly person and he is very afraid and he's scared, and he to save his life is seeking refuge somewhere. How does it affect the soldiers who are with him? Correct. So here it shows that Polengri, okay, Monsieur de Polengri is very angry at Dauphin because वो जो जो king है उसका बेटा है, and even then he is so afraid. Correct. So he is not liking it. Correct. Robert then says that he beat the English the year before last at Montargis. I was with him. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि वो इतना डरपोक है या वो खुद का ही जान बचा रहा है, ऐसा भी नहीं है. He defeated. Okay. Yeah. He defeated the English the year before the last. Okay, he is trying to defend this Dauphin. Robert is trying to defend Dauphin, saying that last to last year उसने बचाया था English से हमारे जो भी territory है उसको, and I was with him. Okay. So Polengri is like, but his men are cowed. They are frightened. उसके सारे आदमी, उसके जो सारे soldiers हैं, are very, very frightened. And now he can't work miracles. And I tell you that nothing can save our side now but a miracle. It clearly shows here that in the 100 Years' War, the English were clearly winning. The northern France had already gone. Now whatever was left was just slipping away from their hand very quickly. So वो Polengri ऐसा बोलता है कि आपको ऐसा लगता है, but miracle, you know, miracle के सिवाय कुछ भी नहीं बचा सकता. We need a चमत्कार. अगर चमत्कार अभी हुआ तो हम लोग बच सकते हैं, वरना तो कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता हमारा. Okay, so and I tell you that nothing can save our side now but a miracle. मतलब miracle save कर सकता है, nothing else. Okay, Robert did not like the Palangi's idea. However, Palangi uh, through his talks is like nothing is going to मतलब what's the harm in trying. Trial and error है, वैसे भी हार रहे हैं, ये भी हार लेंगे, क्या फर्क पड़ता है. Okay, okay. Robert says that miracles are all right, Polly. The only difficulty about them is that they don't happen nowadays. A strategic military officer, it would be stupid of him to believe in miracles and everything. वो एक मिलिट्री का आदमी है, वो मिराकल चमत्कार में कैसे बिलीव कर सकता है. तो ही इज लाइक miracles are all right, Polly. Very famous line in the play. Okay, miracles are all right, Polly. वो तो ठीक बात है, but the only difficulty about them is that they don't happen nowadays. ये सब नहीं होता आज के जमाने में. There is no such thing as chamatkar, miracle, a blessing. It does not happen. Okay. Valenji to this reply says that I used to think so. Even I thought कि नहीं होता ये सब miracles and everything. But I'm not so sure now. There is something about her. I think the girl herself is a bit of miracle. Anyway, this is our last chance. Let's see what she can do. Okay. So Pulenji भी बोलते हैं कि हाँ मुझे भी पहले इतना नहीं था. I was not very sure about this miracles and everything. And I understand that they don't happen nowadays. But the girl herself is a miracle. वो खुद ही कुछ तो बात है. I still don't know what thing. But she has something in her. And what's the harm in trying? And anyway, this is our last chance. Anyway, we are losing. This is a trial and error thing. Let us take our chance. Let us see what she can do. Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
So are we to stop here?